Hi everyone, and welcome to the introduction of BDO's Transfer Pricing Compliance Approach Planner, also known as TPCAP. My name is Rajendram, and I'm a Senior Manager in BDO's London Transfer Pricing team. The transfer pricing compliance environment is becoming more and more challenging as the number of countries adopting transfer pricing documentation rules is increasing, each with their own requirements that often deviate from the OECD standard. This brings a number of challenges for multinational clients, starting with questions such as what type of transfer pricing documentation is needed and where, when do I need to submit the documentation, and if I don't comply, what kind of penalties am I going to face? This is then all layered with the question, well, I have all these documentation requirements, but how do I balance compliance risk with budget and resource? TPCAP is an intelligent automation platform which supports decision-making to manage global transfer pricing documentation requirements using a risk-based approach. It produces recommendations on documentation type, priorities, and deadlines across a group's global footprint. We run TPCAP on behalf of our clients, where initial discussions are undertaken to understand what your compliance strategy to documentation preparation is. Keeping this strategy in mind, we run TPCAP using a combination of client-specific data, such as your financials or a CBCR report if it's available, along with information in BDO's Transfer Pricing Compliance Database, also known as TPCD. TPCD is a separate database which includes transfer pricing requirements for territories across the globe. We combine client-specific information with the information in TPCD to produce the outputs that TPCAP does. TPCAP uses predetermined series of logic-based decisions against the client data and TPCD information to provide simple and easy-to-digest recommendations on report type, that is, what type of transfer pricing report is required. Is it a standard OECD report or something more bespoke? A recommendation on the priority of the documentation in each of the countries of operation. This is driven by requirements such as, is there a mandatory filing obligation, contemporaneous documentation requirements, or the number of days you have to prepare documentation if it was to be requested by a tax authority. These outputs, although automated, will also have an overlay of TP expertise by the project team to tweak recommendations based on our understanding of your needs. The following is a video summarising the benefits of TPCAP.